The SCORE Supply Chain Operations Reference Model shows the 6 parts of the supply chain. In this course, you'll see how the SCORE model links to supply chain planning. Supply chain planning is about matching the supply of components to the demand for the end product. Daniel and Anna discuss. Ron, a business controller, joins the conversation.
So, how do we do supply chain planning?
We have to plan for each part of the supply chain: source, make, deliver, return, and enable.
I see. What's planning all about?
It starts with the forecast. We need to know how many Bean Babies people will buy.
What's next?
We must decide how many Bean Babies to make.
Shouldn't we make the same amount as the forecast?
Not always. The sales forecast isn't perfect, so we need to consider the risks of making too many versus the risks of not making enough.
Then there's planning for components. For example, the steam nozzles need to be ordered 5 weeks in advance.
So we need to order them at least 5 weeks before we want to start making Bean Babies.
But not too early.
Don't worry, Ron. I know you want to keep inventory low. What else is part of supply chain planning?
Transportation. Once we make the Bean Babies, we'll need to plan for how they'll get to our customers.
And by customers, you mean retailers like Wallshop.
Exactly.
Daniel sees that supply chain planning involves forecasting, how much to make, when to order components, and transportation.